Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our first lesson of information technology. In previous videos we have learned about difference between computers and calculators, difference between human beings and computers, and in this video we will learn about need for computers and size of computers. So watch the video carefully. Need for computers. There are number of tasks that a computer can do. A computer can be used for writing and reading documents. It can store a large amount of information. It can do many calculations in a few seconds. It can be used to play music and watch videos. It can be used to play games. It can be used to draw pictures. It can be used to design greeting cards, newspapers, magazines, and clothes. It can be used to count and compare things. Dear students, a computer can do number of things that we can also do. Then why do you need a computer? The reason is very simple. A computer can do all these things in a better, faster, and more organized way. It can do many things at the same time. Now let's learn about the size of computers. Computers are available in different sizes. Dear students, early electronic computers developed around the 1940s were as large as room and used up a lot of electricity. A desktop computer is a computer which is kept on a desk. It is also called PC. It means a personal computer. A laptop is a computer which is small enough to fit on a person's lap. It can be carried around easily. A palm top is a very small computer which can fit in a person's palm. So dear students, in this video we have learned about need for computers and size of computers. So watch the video carefully. It will help you to understand the lesson.